In this special episode, we are diving into the profound wisdom of the Holy Qur'an. We'll be exploring 5 life-changing verses that offer timeless guidance and inspiration straight from the words of Allah. Verse 1, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 286. Our journey begins with a verse from Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 286. La yukallifu Allahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. This verse reminds us of the Almighty's mercy. In times of hardship, remember that God's tests are tailored to our abilities. Verse 2, Surah Ar-Rum, Ayah 30. Moving on to Surah Ar-Rum, Ayah 30, we find the words, فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلَّدِّينِ حَنِيفًا فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا. So direct your face toward the religion, inclining to truth. Adhere to the fitrah of Allah upon which He has created all people. This verse encourages us to embrace our innate disposition towards truth and goodness. It's a call to align our lives with the divine design. Verse 3, Surah Al-An'am, Ayah 151. Our third transformative verse comes from Surah Al-An'am, Ayah 151. قُلْ تَعَالَوْا أَتْلُ مَا حَرَّمَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَيْكُمْ. Say, come, I will recite what your Lord has prohibited to you. Here, Allah lays out the principles of what is prohibited, guiding us away from harmful paths. It's a reminder that restrictions are a form of divine care, steering us towards a better way of life. Verse 4, Surah Al-Isra, Ayah 32. As we reflect on Surah Al-Isra, Ayah 32, وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. And do not approach unlawful sexual intercourse. Indeed, it is ever an immorality and is evil as a way. We're reminded of the importance of preserving our purity and maintaining modesty. This verse underscores the value of guarding our hearts and maintaining respect in relationships. Verse 5, Surah Az-Zumar, Ayah 53. Finally, let's delve into Surah Az-Zumar, Ayah 53. قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. No matter how far we've strayed, Allah's mercy is boundless. This verse encourages us to seek forgiveness and return to His grace. In conclusion, there you have it, dear viewers. 5 life-changing verses from the Holy Qur'an that illuminate our path and offer timeless guidance. These verses are not only words but beacons of hope, wisdom, and compassion. Let's incorporate their teachings into our lives and strive to be better versions of ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this spiritual journey today. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, may Allah's blessings be with you all. Assalamu alaikum.